Hello children, good morning. Welcome you all. This is our science class. In this class, we are going to see energy lesson continuation. So, what we saw in the last class, we need energy to do our daily activities. Where we get the energy? We get this energy from the food. So, energy is defined as capacity to do work. Then we learned different forms of energy. In this session, we are going to learn conservation of energy. What is conservation of energy? Energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed also. It is changed from one form to another form or transferred from one object to another object. We can say many examples for conservation of energy in our daily life. See children, this is one of the law. What is law of conservation of energy states that the law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. One form of energy is converted into another form of energy. This law was given by Julius Robert Mayer. So this is very important chapter, children. Listen. So what is law of conservation of energy means? States that energy can be neither be created nor be destroyed. One form of energy is converted into another form of energy. Got it, children? So now we move on to examples. What are the conservation of energy? First example, water dam. Already we learned water stored in water dams possesses potential energy. When water falls down, potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy. This kinetic energy of water rotates the turbine and electric energy is generated. And second examples, electrical appliance. Electric energy is used in many domestic appliances such as electric stove, iron box and fan. Electric energy flows into the coil in the devices. As current flows, it heats up the coil with the help of its heat energy. We do many useful works, correct? So thus electrical energy is converted into heat energy. For example, iron box. In iron box, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Then electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy in fan. Listen children, in fan, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Then in bulb, light energy. The same electrical energy is converted into light energy in where? Bulb. Then in computer, electric energy is converted into sound energy in computer. So these are the examples of electrical appliance. Okay, we understand children? Now next third one, driving a car. We use fuel in the form of petrol or diesel or gas to run vehicles, correct? When this fuel burns in the engine, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Because burning fuel produces hot gases, which pushes the piston in the engine to move the vehicle. So the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Listen children, we use fuel in the form of petrol or diesel or gas to the run vehicles, correct? So when this fuel burn in the engine, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Again, this heat energy produce hot gases which pushes the piston in the engine to move the vehicle. So the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. So these are the conservation of the energy. You understand, children? See children, in photosynthesis reactions, how it's going on in photosynthesis with the help of the sun, correct? With the help of the sunlight. So that is solar energy. So in the solar energy is converted into, so plants are getting the food from the sun. So that is chemical energy. So solar energy is converted into chemical energy. In photosynthesis, solar energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay children, you understand now? We will meet in the next class children. Thank you.